Hello all, this is Shobhana Sujit Kumar, Founder Director, Krishna Geet and Performing Arts, San Francisco Bay Area. A big thank you to Veronica for kicking off this event. Thank you so much, Veronica, especially for Varana Mayiram. Thank you so much once again. You've always been a very, very beautiful dancer. Today it was very, very heartwarming to see you, ever graceful and ever vibrant. Veronica is the daughter of the Vice President and Treasurer of the organization, Srimati Jayashree Raja. Now, I would like to welcome the esteemed guest of honor for this evening, Srimati Deepa Mahadevan. Please give her a big hand. Founder Director of Tiruchitrambalam School of Music Dance. She is the disciple of Srimati Usha Srinivasan and Madurai Sri R. Muralidharan. Off to Srimati Deepa Mahadevan for the inaugural speech and other things as well. Thank you, Deepa. Welcome. Namaskaram to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Hope I'm audible. So yeah, it was a lovely treat. This whole evening, this evening was a beautiful treat. And then we have Krishna Geetam Performing Arts has kickstarted today's performance of the Nartanam series. There are going to be, like Shobhana shared right at the beginning, and there are going to be 7 beautiful performances which are going to be featured over 7 weeks in this Nartanam series. I first of all thank Shobhana for giving me this wonderful opportunity to be here to talk to you. Shobhana is a very dear friend of mine. And thank you so much. And she needs no introduction. She's a big celebrity in the Bay Area. She is the founder director of SR Fine Arts. And I have a lot of respect for, people like Shobhana, beautiful. She has brought together this other, SR Fine Arts is a raving art organization in the Bay Area, and she doesn't want to stop with that, and she says, come on, let's do this for new dance also, because there's so much of talent in the Bay Area. And thank you, Shobhana, for taking that initiative. I don't think it's you need not do that, but you are doing it because of the passion that you have. And it's a lovely thing that she's put together this beautiful team of a committee of people who are working with her. So you have the amazing, vibrant Jayashree Raja, who's a lovely connoisseur of art, and both her children are stars, both in their own right for dance and music. And who else can be apt partner than her in doing this? And then you have Ravi Ranganathan, who's also very popular because of his children, you could say, who's also part of this committee. And then we have Vidya Sanandan. So the 4 of them actually form the core committee of Krishna Geetam. Like I again say, no art organization, especially non-profit art organization, can survive but for their strength of volunteers. Or people who make the core committee. I saw Sumati Natation also in this thing, and then other organizations are there in this Bay Area. Like you have a lot of these Tamil Sangam, Bay Area, Tamil Mandram, Yobharati and stuff. But this is a very novel organization, especially now during this trying times during COVID. They have, I think, done a fantastic job in pulling together talent. Before Nartanam series, in the month of April and May, they had this brilliant series called, the Positivity series, where they welcomed dancers to just perform, just tag their organization and perform. There's so many artists. I was looking through their webpage, and my students participated in that. It's a lovely opportunity, 10 minutes, and they were able to present their dance. And Krishna Geetam Performing Arts gave that space, and it is called the Positivity series. Almost 30 to 40 dancers from all over the world participated in that. That was a brilliant feat they did in this time of uncertainty, and everybody is in. So it's a great thought. Thank you so much for coming up with that. And then now this brilliant compilation Nartanam series. What we need is encouraging young talent, and like you rightly said, all these the people who are going to be featured in Nartanam series are young artists. In addition to that, she's also, the whole organization, all the four of them have also come up with pairing them along with seniors also. So there are, in addition to young artists, there are also I would say little accomplished dancers who are also part of the series. The series is going to be having 7 dancers. Today we saw Veronica Raja, a very senior disciple of Guru Vishal Ramani, and it's lovely to see these young children who are born and brought up here pursue this dance form and continue it, and keep engaging with it on an ongoing basis. Next is Sharanya Balaji, another, not necessarily, I'm not saying it in the order, I'm saying other performers who are there. Sharanya Balaji, another she's right now pursuing dance with Aishwarya Balasubramaniam and Anita Guha. She's again somebody who's extremely engaged with the Bharatanatyam field, both in India and in America. She's been an ardent participant in the Cleveland Tyagaraja Utsavam, participated, done lead roles in organizing a lot of student-run initiatives in Cleveland. And then we have Kritika, who's also part of Kritika Rajkumar, who's also a senior student of Sudha Chandrasekhar and right now pursuing its Srikala Bharat. I have personally seen a lot of her postings in social media. She is, winner of several beauty pageants. And she's an accomplished dancer, and she's also an attorney at law. She works with one of the largest law firms in the country. Again, somebody who's been born and brought up here, like Veronica Raja, like Sharanya Balaji. And then you also have my student, thank you so much, Shobana. Shruti Aravindan is performing. Shruti has been my student for the past 15 years. She did her Arangetram again when she was 10 years old. And then she's again one of those younger students, younger children like the others I've said, who are taking this forward in the country, away from India, uncaring about the fact that, it's a different culture, and they've just embraced the moment. And they are also, like Shruti, you have Priyanka Chari, who's also being featured in this. Priyanka Chari is a student of Nirupama Vaidyanathan. Shruti, Priyanka are also very multifaceted people who are not just doing dance, they're also doing music. Shruti is as much an acclaimed dancer as she's a singer. Similarly, Priyanka Chari is an accomplished Veena player. She's a student of her father, Shrikant Chari. So it's, and then we also have among these youngsters who are, representing the North American diasporic space. You also have Shrivnikant, a very, very dear friend of mine, artistic director of Maitri Dance Academy, Maitri Natyalaya, and we have collaborated a lot. And it's a very interesting and very smart idea to juxtapose youngsters like this with teachers also. In addition to Shrivnikant, you also have Vidya, who's from India, who's a senior disciple of Guru Chitra Vishweshwaran, and Vidya Anand, and she is also the founder director of Madhuryam School of Dance, where she teaches dance, does Natvangam, choreography. She is also an accomplished, she left a career of pursuing business and took this, and then she's taking it forward. So these two senior dancers like Shrivnikant and Vidya are juxtaposed with the other young, and they're also accomplished dancers, I would say, younger dancers from the diasporic space. So I think it's a fantastic combination of people that you have put together. It's a lot of thought has gone into it. So congratulations for that, Shobana, Jayashree, Ravi, and Vidya Sanandan, for putting this team of artists together for all of us to watch. So again, this is a 7-week festival. And the brilliant thing it is online. Vidya, for instance, Vidya Anand is participating from India. And I can't wait to see the next avatar of this. This is Nartanam. I would say Nartanam series 1, and then I'm sure it's going to be like more and more are going to come. And the fact that it's an online event and they're doing it so professionally, even having this beautiful forum is there, and everything is so professionally done. Shobana called me several times, and she wanted and you need people like that to run organizations like this. So very grateful, thankful as an artist. I'm very thankful for people like you and your team of members to do this untiringly. Please continue your good work. And for all the, because I am, when Shobana introduced me, she introduced me as somebody who is interested in the critical theory of dance and all this stuff. So I just wanted to put a small plug in there saying, all dancers, I also invite all of you to, engage in critical history of dance, engage with the different things that where your dance has come from, you're dancing a particular number, where is the origin of that, engage in that, because you're all great, you're doing this, you're pursuing an art form in a different country in such a way that it doesn't even matter. You're like completely, I love the way Varunika Raja danced today, starting Varanam, she ended with Varanamayaram, it was such a beautiful number, and the whole, the Pasuram was so nicely embodied, but she did Samba Shiva in a way, which is Kamas. We learned it in a Pata class. In the Swarajatiya she's done for dance. Lovely work by her teacher to have choreographed and taught this to her. And the fact that the children are able to embody this and just take it from there. So much stamina. Varunika had so much stamina that Samba Shiva in a way was fully swaram. There's like so much nutta. And so I think the selection of songs, like she rightly said, were carefully chosen by Guru Vishal Ramani, and it was very obvious because it had a lovely collection. But so I congratulate Varunika for a fantastic performance. And then again saying, all of you, please engage in critical theory also, because in addition to performance, you all need to have critical theory. That way you understand where your dance, like I engage in race, sex, gender, religion, caste of the dance form. So try to see if you can find some space to exercise that part of your brain along with the embodied dancing that you do too. So I hope to be seeing all these dancers in the upcoming weeks. Thank you so much, Shobana, once more for thinking about me and inviting me. I'm so honored and so humbled to be part of this engagement. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Deepa. Long words of encouragement and support. We look forward to your support for many more decades to come, for many more performances.
Absolutely.
And many more of your students too. I want to take this moment to acknowledge the wonderful company members of the organization. Ravi Ranganathan, President, Vice President and Treasurer, Srimati Jayashree Raja, and Secretary Vidya Sanandan, without whose support I wouldn't be able to do so much. All of you give them a big hand. And once again, a big thank you to Varunika for kicking off the series, and for Srimati Deepa Mahadevan to have inaugurated this series. As she said, and as you see on the flyer, it's a 7-week series. Next week, we are having Priyanka Chari from the Bay Area, disciple of Srimati Nirupama Vaidyanathan, who inaugurated this organization in 2014. Priyanka Chari has also performed a Margam under the branch of SR Fine Arts, Krishna Geetam Performing Arts, a few years ago. We are indeed very happy that she has accepted our invitation to be part of this series. After Priyanka, we have other dancers. Please support everybody. We'll be posting the details of each and every dancer on every Monday. They will be performing the following Saturday. Please stay tuned on our webpage, on our Facebook page, Krishna Geetam Performing Arts. Thank you all once again. Have a great evening. And Deepa is on the East Coast, so good night to Deepa.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye. To all of you.